Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Redmi 13X. So first, check if your cable isn't broken in any way. It is not. So now go into the settings, battery, the charging options, and make sure that the wired charging mode is selected the speed up. Now flip your phone and right here is the charging port, so clean it with something non-metallic, so like the Q-tip or wooden stick or compressed air. Then you can test your phone with another fast charger and outlet, and you can test this outlet with another phone. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.